Are you thinking about having your asphalt driveway paved in Southbury, Connecticut? Are you ready to finally repair or replace that old cracked and worn out driveway but have no idea who to call for asphalt paving in your area of Southbury or South Britain? For over 22 years, VP Asphalt Paving has been installing asphalt driveways and parking lots in the Southbury region of New Haven County. Don't hesitate to call upon VP Paving's host of asphalt services, as they are regarded as, and trusted to be, one of the top asphalt paving companies in Southbury and the Tri-Berry area. Be prudent and make sure your paving contractor is fully licensed and insured. Ask for their certificate of insurance and state license prior to signing any contracts or written agreements. If you want to work with a reliable asphalt paving company in Southbury with a stellar reputation, and one that is also very affordable, then you need to call VP Asphalt Paving right now for a free price quote. To take advantage of our very generous 10% new client discount, be sure to mention this YouTube video when calling our customer service department. Thank you for considering VP Asphalt Paving for all your commercial and residential asphalt paving needs in Southbury, Connecticut. Call VP Asphalt Paving right now at 203-819-7414 for your free written estimate.